it's me, Faith, over here. I am a shopping video. And my friend Tiffany over here. Hi. She hid the Shopkins, and I can't find them anymore. So I need you guys to help me look for them. So I have season 1 and season 2. I need you guys to help me. But what I need to do is take this little box right here and put them in here. So I can't find them, so I need you guys to help me find them. You guys ready? Okay. Let's go shopping, hunting. Okay, let's start over here. Okay. I found these right here. Season 1. What else? I found one still.
FYI, you're skipping like a bunch. Like past the punch.
I found one in here. I found one right here. And I first season 2. And I found this one right here.
Oh gosh, watch out for the cat.
Okay, let's see if we find some more. Let's look on this side. Okay.
She skipped one.
Find another one. And let's see. Let's come over here again. Let's see if we find some more. Oh, I found one right here.
You probably want to look on the furniture, just to tell you.
I found one right here. And I found another one right here. Let's see if I find some more.
There's none on the couch. I'm just giving you hints, so it won't like be that hard.
It's okay. I'll leave this.
Okay.
I got this. So, I found one right here. And I found another one. Oh, I found another one. Oh, this is hard to get this one out. Okay, let's see what else we can find. Let's go. I found the bingo one. And this one has all the Shopkins in it in season 1. So this one is a prize one. So let's keep this one right here. So let's look for more. Ooh, found one. Excuse me. I found Bumble Slipper. Hey, Bumble Slipper. Over here. One more. What else did we find over here, guys? What else do we have? So, what about behind the couch?
No, there's none on that couch.
Ooh, I found one up here. Found another one. So what else do we have? Let's look over here, maybe. Ooh, it's a lot. So this right here. Let's go over these. Is there any more, you guys?
There's no more in this area.
Okay, let's see over here. I don't see any here. Don't see any here. Don't see any here.
Do you want to go back to the area where we started?
Sure, why not? You want to start right here?
Sure.
Okay, so I found these. What else did I find? Here's one right here. And one right there. And, ooh, there's some up there too. You can see this one. Here. Where is it at?
Right there. The cat's on the move.
I found some more. Just right here. The hiding spot. And
Keep going.
I found some
Don't fall.
one right here. Yay! I'm good at this, you guys. But my friend named Tiffany, do you mind showing your face?
Hi.
She had some good hiding place, actually. So what else can I find tonight? Not hiding in here. Oh, let's check up there. Let's see.
There's a biscuit on the floor.
Ooh, we have some right here. What else? We have some. Let me go on the other side, you guys. Other side.
I think someone's at the door. Hi.
And that is my brother right here.
Say hi, Mario.
So I found 3 up there. Let's look for some more. Okay. So let's see if we find some more.
That's another brother,
Chocolate.
Isaac.
Mario the shaky.
Say hi to the camera.
Hey.
So let me see if there's more.
Doug.
This is a better shooter.
Faith, the catcher's trying to get Emma.
Ooh, I found one right here.
Oh, I didn't even recognize I put one right there.
Ooh, I found another bingo one.
Come look.
What else? What else?
Mom! Hold yours, Mario.
I am so sorry about my brothers, you guys.
They could be a bit loud. Hey, Faith.
Here's one right here.
Faith, look, there's a biscuit on the floor.
And this one is, oh, I dropped it. And this one is the other bingo one. So let's put it down. Let's see. Oh, here's one right here. Ooh, here's another one. Guys, this is getting heavy. I might need you guys' help. Let's see if we can see. Let's look in the scratch. Ooh. Bingo! I found all 3 of them.
Look at my headshots.
Oh! Oh! So, guys, that's headshots of guns. Oh.
Okay.
Okay,
We have papers on the floor.
Have one right here. Is that it,
Hey!
Tiffany?
Look at what the cat's doing!
Is this it, Tiffany?
Wait, let me just check one place that I don't think you've been. Okay, you've been there. Make sure none's in the kitty litter.
Okay, so that is it for the hidden shotguns.
Nada.
Hi, Pig.